So today I wanted to show you all the #1 feminine hygiene trick or tool that you probably are not using, but you should be. I also wanted to share with you all my review of some pads that were sent to me. This is by a company called HighOh, and these are reusable pads. If you've never tried reusable pads before, you might want to check it out. It's a really great pad. I had a great experience with it, so I'll show you that now. So they sent these to me, and this is what they look like. These are reusable pads. The material is it's made from charcoal. It's made from bamboo charcoal. Okay, it's a very soft material. It comes with 6 pads, so there are 6 of these, which is a lot actually. You don't have to go through too many of them throughout your cycle. You can actually get through your cycle without using all 6 of these pads because you're going to be washing them anyway. So I love that they provide you with a nice amount in one package. The package also comes with this little bag. This is a wet bag, and it is waterproof, and you can fold up the pad that has already been used and put it in this bag, and it's not gonna leak out. Now they give you a little sheet, which I'll show you a video of. They give you a little sheet that has an instructional video, and it shows you how to actually fold it up so that it doesn't leak out when you're putting it into the bag. Another thing that I really liked about these pads is that they are actually really absorbent. Now, during one day on my heaviest flow, I probably changed this about twice. Now, I personally like to be extra dry, so I will change a little bit more frequently, but this was very absorbent. I did not have a problem with leakage at all using these pads. I slept with them overnight. It gives a pretty good length when it comes to coverage, although it's not really that long. I thought I would have had to use, like, you know, double it to make it a little bit longer, because normally when I'm wearing pads I need an extra long one to cover me when I'm sleeping. You know, when you're sleeping you need just a little bit more coverage. When you're laying down, the fluids start to kind of drip down, and it's easy for a leakage to happen. I did not have that problem with these pads, so I did really like that. The other thing that I liked is the way that you fold these up in order to put them away. It's so convenient. So the black part here is waterproof, and all you have to do is turn it in, bring the button up, and then close it, and that's it, and just put this away. It's like in a nice neat little pouch. Put it in the wet bag, and that's it. You're good to go, and you can carry as many of these as you want. The good thing about it is even if you had your other pads in here, with this one it's not going to leak out onto the other pads. This is totally sealed up. I had no problems with it leaking out in this bag, and I had no issues with leakage in wearing these pads, so it was great. You know, I don't have any complaints about it. Now, my cycle lasts about 4 days or so. Generally on the first day I don't really have a heavy flow. It's pretty light. I'm going to put all of the information here on the screen so you know where to go if you're looking to purchase these pads. The good thing about using reusable pads is if you're a person who's very environmentally conscious and you don't want to be filling up the waste fills with pads, this is a really good option. Now, if you're a person that doesn't necessarily want to deal with, you know, washing the blood and all of that other stuff, then it may not be for you. Reusable pads may not be for you. But if you like reusable pads, I would suggest giving these a try. They're great. Because this is made from a natural fiber, it also reduces your menstrual cramps because it's totally free of dioxin, which is a byproduct of the bleaching process that happens with a lot of these commercial pads. So that's one of the things that you can avoid. Treat your yoni very well. Get you some products that are totally natural so that you don't have any chemicals coming into contact with your yoni. The pads also last 3 to 4 years, which is great if you're looking to save money. Reusable pads are a great option for you, and this brand in particular is a really good option. You can purchase them one time and reuse them over and over and over for up to 3 to 4 years or longer if it lasts that long for you. So if you are tight on cash and you're also thinking about the environment and don't necessarily want to purchase pads that you use one time and throw out, this is a really good option. So if you're interested, definitely check out HighOh pads on Amazon.com and give it a try if you're interested. I hope this video was helpful to you, and I'll see you in the next one.